If you're ready to give your OBS Studio setup a fresh new look, this tutorial will walk you through how to change the theme easily, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch up the appearance of OBS, whether you want something dark and sleek for those late-night streams, or a lighter, cleaner vibe for editing in daylight. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up OBS Studio on your computer. You might already have it running if you're streaming or recording, but if not, just find the OBS icon on your desktop or in your programs list and double-click it. It'll take a few seconds for OBS to start up, especially if it's the first time you're opening it today. Once it's loaded, you'll see your main OBS interface with your scenes and sources ready to go. Next, let's head over to the Settings menu. In the top left corner of OBS, you'll see a menu bar. Look there for the option that says File. Click on File with your mouse, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In that menu, choose Settings. This is where you'll find all the customizable options for OBS: video, audio, stream settings, and, of course, appearance. Now that you're inside the settings window, take a look at the list of categories on the left side. You'll want to click on Appearance. It's often about midway down the list, sitting right between options like Audio and Output. The Appearance section is where OBS gives you control over the look and feel of the software. This panel can sometimes be overlooked, but it's your gateway to making OBS comfortable for your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time editing or managing streams. Right at the top of this Appearance settings page, you'll see an option labeled Theme. This is what actually controls the color scheme and overall look of the OBS interface. OBS comes with several pre-installed themes, things like Default, Dark, System, and sometimes a few others depending on your version. Go ahead and click on the drop-down menu for Theme. Take a moment to explore the different themes available. Each one instantly changes the look. Some are easier on the eyes during late hours, while others make things stand out for better visibility. If you're not sure which to pick, don't worry. You can always try different ones out to see what feels best for your workflow. Once you've decided which theme you want, simply select it from the list. Then, look for the Apply button at the bottom right of the settings window. Click Apply to see the changes take effect. Sometimes it helps to wait a second for OBS to finish updating the interface. If it feels a bit sluggish, that's totally normal, especially if you have a lot of scenes or sources loaded. When you're happy with how OBS looks, go ahead and click OK to save your changes and exit the settings. And that's it. Your new theme is now live. You can always come back and change it again if you want to match your streaming mood or just keep things fresh. So that's how you quickly personalize your OBS Studio with a new theme. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble with the themes, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides to help you get the most out of OBS Studio and all your creative projects. Thanks for watching.